If you're new to Abeka, this program was put together by Pensacola Christian College for families like yours and mine. And if your household is anything like mine, life gets really busy. That's why having a solid curriculum you can depend on for your children's education is such a blessing. Everything you need is right there. All the subjects, all the lessons, so you don't have to scramble around looking for extra resources. Let's face it, that part of homeschooling is time consuming. Abeka is what they call a box curriculum. And what that means is you can buy a full grade level program that already includes all the subjects your child needs for a well rounded education. When you get the whole program, it comes with the language arts, math, social studies, and science. It even includes music, Bible, and art. So I knew I needed a curriculum that will give me all the tools I needed without having to search for a bunch of extra resources. And I want to disclose that this is not a sponsored video. The things I'm sharing here are truly based on our own experiences. As a mom, the Abeka curriculum has given me such a peace of mind. I feel confident in the education I am providing, and that's huge. The results show up not just in his daily little wins, but also in his yearly test scores. And as a family, we're so thankful and pleased with the quality of education he's received. So that's just a little bit about why we chose Abeka and how it's giving me a peace of mind as a mom. But I think the best way to really explain how good this curriculum has been for us is to share a quick story about our homeschool journey. This happened one morning at our church. The children were called up on the stage to hear a Bible story. The pastor asked my son randomly to read a passage from the Bible, and we were so impressed at how fluently he read, because as you know, the Bible doesn't always have the easier words. After the service, while we were in the lobby, a church member came up to us and said, "I am so impressed." Then he asked me, "So where does he go to school?" In that moment, my husband and I just looked at each other and we giggled. I thought to myself, "You go, mom." And I responded, "Well, he's actually homeschooled." That moment felt like such a win for us, especially because so many people had doubted our decision to homeschool. Now, let me share a little more in detail about what's actually included in the Abeka curriculum and what you can expect to see. When you get the program, you're not just getting the textbooks, you're getting a full package that covers every subject your child may need. So that includes language arts, math, history, science, music, Bible, and even arts. Lessons are laid out step by step, which makes it so much easier for parents, especially if you're new to homeschooling. You'll find teacher guides, student workbooks, tests, quizzes, and even answer keys. And one of my favorite parts of it is that everything flows together. You're not piecing things together from 5 different sources. It's all in one place, and that really keeps both you and your child on track. Today, I want to walk you through what makes up the third grade curriculum with Abeka. Let's start with math. In the box, you'll find 2 books that look exactly the same. One is the teacher's book, the spiral bound one, and the other one is the student book, which is the consumable. That's the book your child will use every day to complete their assignments, while the teacher book is just simply the one that has all the answers. Now, there are 2 different ways that you can choose to use this curriculum. Some parents choose to teach the lesson themselves, others with the pre-recorded video option. In those videos, a teacher in a classroom setting leads the lesson, asks the questions, and even addresses the children watching at home, making it feel very interactive. We actually have tried both options, parent-led and the video lessons. For second grade, we went with the parent-led option where I was mainly the teacher, but this year I decided to go back to the video lessons. I have realized with our busy schedule, plus running our businesses, it was just getting too challenging for me to keep teaching him consistently. Thank God for the video lessons because this year I know I'll need to rely on them more. Now, moving on to the rest of the books, let's take a look at the language arts set. This set includes spelling and poetry, grammar and writing, a writing workbook, a full set of reading books, plus all the teacher's manuals. As you can see, you really have everything you need in this one curriculum to give your child a well-rounded education. Each subcategory comes with a complete set. For example, the grammar and writing set includes the student books, the teacher's book, and the quizzes, even the answer keys for those quizzes. For spelling and poetry, there's just one book that contains all the poems, spelling lists, and that they will be studying week by week. Now, the reading and comprehension set is one of my favorites. It comes with 11 beautiful illustrated books. These books include Bible stories, stories with good morals, and even unique stories from authors around the world. We're especially excited this year because my son will be reading a children's version of The Pilgrim's Progress, and that story has been cherished in my family for a long time. The reading curriculum also comes with a lesson plan book, which gives you all the comprehension questions and vocabulary words for each story. That makes it so much easier for us parents because you don't have to read every book for you to come up with the questions. There's also an additional book filled with short stories, and each one has comprehension questions in the back. These are great practice because they prepare the children for the kind of test they'll start seeing in third grade and beyond, very similar to the state tests. And to finalize the language arts curriculum, the last book is called Writing with Purpose. In this book, children start by practicing letter formations. They also copy scripture, which I love because it combines handwriting with spiritual learning. Then they move on to writing their own stories and learning how to organize their ideas. By the end, they'll be even beginning to write reports and short essays. So this wraps up language arts. Now let's just move on to history. The history set comes with the main textbook called American Heritage. This book takes the children on a journey starting with the founding fathers of the United States. From there, they learn about important figures who shaped our country, people like Daniel Boone, Meriwether Lewis, Harriet Tubman, and many more. It's beautifully illustrated and written in a way that's simple to read and easy for the children to understand. In third grade, they also begin a deeper study of geography, which is an exciting step forward for them. And just like the other subjects, the set comes with the complete teacher books, quizzes, and the answers key to go with it. Now let's move on to science. In third grade, the children really start diving deep into science. As I was looking through the contents, I realized that Abeka does such a great job at hooking you right from the beginning. There are concepts my third grader will be learning this year that my 10th grader learned when she was in 10th grade. Abeka starts building their knowledge and vocabulary very early on, and that is such a huge advantage because when they reach those tough high school years, they're not hearing these terms for the very first time. Instead, Abeka keeps revisiting concepts, layering in new details each year. So by the time that they reach those levels, they already have a strong foundation and a deeper understanding. This year, third grade will be exploring topics like energy sources, electricity, machines, gravity, and much more. And now let's take a look into this other book that comes with the science set. It's called Health, Safety, and Manners. I love how Abeka just adds a kind of life skills book for children at each stage of their growth. In the early years, they're learning simple vocabulary like what a pastor does, what a nurse does, but by third grade, they start digging into more in-depth concepts like safety in the parking lots, food safety, how to stand, walk, and sit correctly, and even gun safety. I really appreciate that Abeka weaves in these practical lessons along with academics. And the last book I want to mention is My Animal Book. This is such a beautiful book designed to help children start exploring the different classifications of animals. It gives them the chance to be creative, to investigate, and then to write about each one of those. It is really a fun way to get them to learn while also developing their curiosity and writing skills at the same time. Altogether, I love that science at this stage isn't just about facts and experiments. It's about teaching kids to care for their health, their safety, and the amazing world God created. So that's a little glimpse into what the third grade Abeka curriculum looks like and how it has worked for our family. I hope this helps you get a better idea of what to expect if you're considering it for your own children. For us, homeschooling with Abeka has truly been a blessing. It's given our kids a solid education while also giving us parents the peace of mind that we're preparing them well, not just for academics, but for life and most importantly, for God's kingdom. As the proverb says, train up a child in the way that he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Proverbs 22, verse 6. This is my prayer for you and all homeschooling families. Whether you're using Abeka or not, I hope this video was encouraging and that you continue to listen. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope that I can see you in my next videos. Please drop a question below if you want me to talk about any specifics into the Abeka curriculum or any other homeschool questions that you may have. Please don't hesitate to click the subscribe button, like my video, and I will see you in my next video.